During the course of this exchange, you came up with a price for this thing. How much?
£2,000.
You were aware that it was £2,000, correct? Yes. Now, in terms of the payment, and this is where, in law, I have to tell you, gentlemen, it gets very, very interesting. For me, you had a discussion about how the money was going to be handed over. What discussion did you have, James?
I only agreed to go into the venture with Matt only if he purchased the mining rig through an auction site using a secure method of payment.
Do you agree that that's the case?
Yeah, I think it was sort of an underlying agreement that that'd be a case.
Sort of underlying agreement. How sort of on a scale of 1 to that was the underlying agreement?
That was the underlying agreement.
Of course it was. Now, what benefits might I get by using an online payment system like that?
You'd be able to get your money back.
Very good. Did you hand over your £1,000?
I did, yes.
Did you get the £1,000? You got your £1,000 as well. Now, what I'd like, sir, is the evidence that you used the online payment system to pay the third party for this mining rig. Where is it?
Sure.
That one.
Very, 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 very easy question that comes with a very, very easy answer. Where will I find, in your documents, you using the online payment system to pay the seller of this mining rig? You handed me up these documents. Where can I find them? What did you do?
I paid through bank transfer.
Were you aware that he paid through bank transfer?
I wasn't aware until the 5th of June, which was about a week
Would you have
after.
authorised him to pay through bank transfer?
No way.
Let's have a look. In fact, there's a text message to this effect. Who's Jammer?
That is James.
I didn't pay through PayPal on the miner. I asked the guy if I could, and he said, yeah, but he would prefer bank transfer. Surprise, surprise. All the communication had been legit, so I did it that way. Refund, not going to be simple. And then you reply, in the manner understood. So, you hand over this transfer. I presume you were expecting the machine to arrive fairly soon afterwards. Did it arrive?
It did not.
Where is it? Have you heard anything from this company?
No, haven't heard anything.
What's more, have you researched this company now and been on online forums and heard something about this company?
Yeah, we've heard some other people have had problems with them.
When you say problems, explain to me the problems.
Well, other people are in the same situation we're in, where they paid for a product and not received it.
In other words, is this company a sham?
Yes.
They've nicked the money, correct? You became aware that he'd paid by bank transfer. What did you think?
I was outraged.
You were? I've seen the text.
Yeah.
What did the text say?
Well, I don't want to repeat it out loud.
Oh,
but
feel
it
free.
was,
I'll try not to pass out.
Oh, my...
Perfectly eloquent response, wouldn't you say? Now, here's the problem. You invested that money for the purpose of a machine. Did you specify in writing that he should only pay the supplier using this method?
I did not.
Now, what's this done to your friendship?
I mean, it's definitely put a bit of a strain on it in terms of every time I talk to Matt now, I have to bring it up, I have to mention it, you know, I have to ask what the status of it is.
Do you still play together, search the internet together, have fun on the computer together?
Yeah,
enjoy the company of each other's mouses? What is a huge amount of money for you, right? And just to be serious, because you frame your case in this way, what does that £1,000 mean to you personally?
Well, it represents a lost investment. It's, you know, that...
It's a lost investment. You're not Richard Branson, sir. I'm talking about the actual devastating impact £1,000 has on a young person like you who's in an apprenticeship.
It's a very large sum of my total savings, so it's a lot of money to me.
If you enjoyed that video, then I strongly suggest clicking here for more highlights. For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, and why not, and so that you never miss out, subscribe. Clicking down there, that's an order.